Hello, parents and students. My name is Andrea Gerhardt, and I'm very fortunate to teach AP Chemistry at Peters Township High School. To share a little bit about myself, I have been at Peters Township for 23 years, and in the classroom, about 26 total years. I enjoy teaching chemistry. I'm also an AP Chemistry reader, and so I'm one of the educators that actually scores the free response questions for the College Board in June, and I am a chemistry NIMSY coach. I love chemistry. This specific segment of science just caught me very, very early on. I just am fascinated by this subject, which really challenges us on the microscopic but macroscopic level as well, and involves problem solving. So it just really matches my interest and my skill set. I am the proud mom of 2 dogs and chickens, so just to share that as well. But my greatest pride are my 3 children and my husband, David. We follow and utilize the chemistry textbook by Zumdahl. And that is a textbook that is utilized by multiple universities for their first year Gen Chem course for chemistry, physics, physician assistant, medical majors. So this is a go-to wonderful resource. Some students, for the very first time with this book, find that reading certain sections of their book really aids in their understanding. So I encourage them to give that a try. Students also were given a solution guide to check their problem solving with. And after Christmas, when we delve into equilibrium, we'll use a supplemental text also written by Zumdahl to just break the specific types of equilibrium down into smaller pieces. That leads to the most success. I have created actually a digital lab manual for us. I do have a hard copy for those students that would like it. It's accessed through Canvas. It mainly pulls labs from a author by the name of Hall that created a lab manual to match Zumdahl's textbook. And it really is fine-tuned for the work that we do in AP here at Peters Township High School. So what are some things that you students should be working on outside of the classroom and you parents may see your students working on? Every unit will have a unit assignment. That is the homework. So your son or daughter always has unit assignment work they can be working on, and you really want to be following along with the unit assignment problems as we are learning those concepts in class. They are due on test day. In the beginning of the year, to really make sure that we're all on the same level of understanding, depending upon how much we remember from honors chem, how much support we need on those introductory concepts, I have created tutorial videos that you will earn points for watching in Edpuzzle. So we just get those in the first 9 weeks and you earn points for taking advantage of those. Often, so that we can get right into our lab work, you'll be required to do some pre-lab work, but you will always know what that is. You will be keeping a lab notebook. That is what you'll do in a lot of Gen Chem lab work courses. And so we want to make sure that you're well-versed in that. And then there are occasional other assignments for your grade that we'll also do throughout the year. But primarily your grade comes from assessments, comes from lab, and then those unit assignments. You will always know when an exam is. In fact, I give a bi-monthly calendar and students will always be able to plan, because I know AP Chem students are involved in so many activities and may hold a job outside of school, may have sports. And so hopefully getting this allows them to really set aside those pockets of time to really master the content and then get lab work done, etc. So the exams are formatted very similar to the AP chemistry exam that students can choose to take in May. The course is aimed at really challenging students with the topics that are encountered in a 2-semester Gen Chem course in college. My goal is they are ready for sophomore organic chemistry as a freshman. They will be equipped to crush the AP chemistry exam in May if they choose to take it. But that is not the focus of the test. But I want to make sure the course is not just so they can pass the test. Students will be able to pass the test because of the course. And part of that is becoming just familiar with the format of the test. And so our exams are patterned after that. A lot of students find that in AP chemistry, no longer will just flipping through the notes really pay off. They really have to spend time with this material. In order to grow, we're going to have to develop some new skills and methodologies to really learn the content, not just study it. And that can be uncomfortable, but I will walk with your students through. In fact, I've developed this idea of, learning, and what does that mean? And how do we become good learners versus just really good studiers? And so I'll suggest different ideas. And this is a wonderful life lesson that they'll carry with them into the collegiate setting or whatever their plans might be from here. So I really strive to communicate that our talent is needed, but it's so much the effort that then delivers what we want really from a course. I am so excited to be sharing this year with your son or daughter or with you, student. You can always reach me at my email, which was shared earlier, but that's gerhardt@pt-sd.org. I look forward to a wonderful course with you, and thank you, parents, for equipping your children as you have.